Hi everyone, I am Cemal Bulunmaz, your jewelry professional, and this guy is Turgay, my cousin, my brother, my diamond cut guy. We travel all around the world, and in this video he will make this boring bangle into a jewelry tool. He will make a hand cutting and he will make a unbelievable design for you. What you
Yeah, I will use today's hammerhead, but a different type. Normally everybody using hammerhead like this, but
How many tools
I will use just two tools.
Two tools, one Turgay, one bangle. If you are ready, let's go. Turgay is making a diamond cut for you, and we are choosing the tools from our starter tool set, and he chose two tools for you, and he will make a design on this bangle. Which machine you are using?
Of course, Bulunmaz.
Of course, Bulunmaz
50,000
Micromotor,
RPM.
50,000 RPM. It's our bestseller Micromotor, and he is using.
Very easy,
And
quick.
he will
You
create
can carry it.
any design. Where you want to carry?
Yeah, everywhere.
Where you want to go?
For example, I want to go to cinema.
Okay, let's go
I
to
can
cinema. After we finish this video, we are going to cinema. I will pay you a ticket. Huh?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, I'm ready.
We are using two tools. We were using many tools in the other videos, but this time we have only used two tools.
And I will use hammerhead tools. Is a very different type. Normally we use like this, you know. But
Normally we make horizontal cuts, but he will use our diamond hammerhead tool in a different way. Here you can see. It doesn't mean you can use one tool in a single way. You can use even one tool in several different ways and get different designs. You can see that we are using like PCD tool, rainbow tool, but we have a different effect because it's a diamond tool. The diamond gives the shine. Turgay created the design. He make hand drawing first, so he knows much better where he will engrave. You can use that method to plan your products. It's a quick model, huh?
yeah, quick model and different because not everybody using like this, and also nobody know like this using because never try, I think. But I have free time many time, and I can try one tool with many different shape.
In your free times, you can experiment our tools. You can use them different ways. You will discover, you will find out different ways. You can also have a look at our YouTube channel. We post many videos about every kind of machines, but about also a hand diamond cut. You can collect many new ideas. I recommend you subscribe our channel so you can also keep updated about the new videos we are posting. That's a video series of hand tool. We have 8 videos even in this series. It's completed.
Yeah, this completed. First one.
First part is ready. Now he will continue with T4 carbide tool. Here we go.
Yeah.
That's a irregular design, but when it's completed, it will be a nice combine with diamond tool. Just creating a basic background with the carbide tool.
Yeah, mostly using like this in the also Turkey. Many people using this tool and make like this.
That's T4 tool. It comes with a 3mm shank, so you can fix on your micromotor. We highly recommend our micromotor, of course, but mainly because it's specially designed for diamond cut. It's not from just the market which is used with every kind of tool, but we designed it for hand engraving, hand diamond cut. It has more precision and it has a stable speed. It doesn't slow down. It has a high torque. It's pretty convenient. If you are from United States or Mexico, just inform us about this. If you are from Canada, we have 220 watts standard, but we can also supply you 110 watts. So if you are in United States, Canada, Mexico, don't forget to inform when you are ordering. That was a quick model. It takes less than 5 minutes, I guess. It's about to finish. Practice makes it better, so be sure you keep practicing your hand diamond cut in your free times on brass or aluminium or any soft material.
Just finish. I will make last step,
and we make the last touch. We have 8 videos in this video series. If you want to watch the other ones, just you will see the link end of this video, or you can click the description of this video. We will put each link of 8 video, which could be interesting for you if you are in jewelry production, or if you are interested in diamond cut. You can collect new ideas. Here he is making the last touch. He is making a border with diamond tool to complete the design. It's the same diamond tool, yeah?
Yeah, same diamond tools. Just using 2 tools. 1 diamond, 1 carbide.
But the same tool you are using in 2 different ways.
Yeah, of course, model. Of course.
It's important because the guys can make many different models even with 1 tool.
Yes.
It's really economical and it's more creative. If you like our models and if you wanna see more, don't forget to follow our Instagram account. It's Bulunmaz Tools. You can find it easily, the official account. We post many design photos. When we make videos, we always post the photos to our Instagram account. It's a good source to collect ideas, even you don't work with us.
It's okay, finish.
That's all. The model is completed. Here I want to show you again. Here we used diamond tools, hammerhead tool with in a different way.
Yes.
We didn't use just cut, but we used like making lines. And here we used T4 carbide tool, and in the middle we completed a border with again 2mm 140 hammerhead tool.
Yes.
So as I told you, that's a video series of 8 videos, and you can find many other interesting ideas in the videos. So don't forget to keep watching other videos and subscribe our channel. So how you feel?
Yeah, if you wonder something, you can write comment.
Yeah, just write us if you have questions, because there are many tricks. If you have questions, if you wonder something, because we are pretty open, we don't want to keep it hiding, you know. We also enjoy distributing the information. We enjoy giving information about our tools, the technology. So don't forget to write any questions. Thank you very much.
Yeah,
this is the last video, last bangle.
Last bangle.
Will you come again?
Of course.
When?
Because I'm happy here.
You are happy you stay here?
Yeah,
we can start production together. 18 karat.
It's okay.
Yeah. We are using brass in our videos. Our dream is to work on gold bangles.
Yeah.
One day we will do it 14, 18 karat something. So thank you very much for your help. It was a great video and we had lots of information. See you again, I hope, in the next videos.
Thank you very much.
You can keep watching us. We will have more videos with Turgay and the other guys for different jewelry technologies. Here is Bulunmaz YouTube channel, your source on YouTube for jewelry technologies. So see you again. Take care of yourself.